We often get asked if and how you can clean the apogee, especially if multiple people are wearing the same device. Well, it's pretty easy. There's two different methods. When it comes to the soft parts of the device, like the vest and the hip belt, you can easily remove them and they're machine washable. When it comes to the hard parts of the device, you can either use a damp cloth to just wipe it down, or if it requires a bit more of a clean, you can use a disinfectant wipe. Now let's take a minute to go through how to remove the parts of the apogee so that you can clean them. Let's start with the vest. It's very simple to remove the soft part of the vest from the back plate. What we're going to do first is just remove the straps from the Velcro and just simply pull it out. You can do that on all four sides. Next, there's also this padded piece that attaches to the back plate that you can simply just Velcro off. Next, I've taken off the waist belt from the device. To do that, you just simply pull the latch in the back, twist it, and remove it. This is also going to be machine washable. Lastly, we're left with just the remaining hard parts. From here, you can simply just remove the leg pads, wipe these down, and then just take your cloth and simply just wipe down the rest of the device. This was just a quick overview of cleaning the apogee. If you want to learn more or see more of our support videos, visit us at GermanBionic.com.